Hello students, welcome to Shorap's classes. So in today's video we'll start with question number 55. So in today's video we'll start with question number 55. As you know, in the earlier video we ended up at question number 54. You know, we are solving UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we are solving paper number 3. So in today's video we'll start with question number 55. So in question number 55, as you know, which of the following statement are true for an Arrow-Debreu model of general equilibrium? So there are 4 options given. Goods are identified where they are to be delivered. Goods are identified where they are to be delivered, both 1 and 2 and none of the above. So we have to find out which is the right answer among these 4. So we know for question number 55, which of the following statement is true for Arrow-Debreu model of general equilibrium. So the model goes like this. So for question number 55, we know the modern conception of general equilibrium is provided by a model developed jointly by Arrow and Debreu in 1950. So Arrow and Debreu, basically modern general equilibrium model, basically the general equilibrium concept was given by Arrow and Debreu. So what this model was all about? So this model was said that 3 important interpretations of the terms of the theory have been often cited. The first one is, suppose the commodities are distinguished by the location where they are delivered. Then Arrow-Debreu model is spatial model for the example international trade. So the first is Arrow-Debreu model talks about the model when they are delivered. So commodities are distinguished by, so the commodities are basically distinguished by the location where they are delivered. So commodity are distinguished by location where they are delivered, So this is the first thing. Now the second thing is, suppose commodities are distinguished by when they are delivered. That is, suppose all markets equilibrate at some initial instant of time. Agents in the model purchase and sell contracts where a contract specifies, for example, a good to be delivered and the date at which it is to be delivered. Now, the Arrow-Debreu model of intertemporal equilibrium contains forward market for all goods at all dates. So, no market exists at the future date. So, we know it contains forward market. So, no market exists in future dates. So, for this we know